Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today is Friday, and I thought one advice, very good advice for you, and that is about pray. And one student asked, "Sir, how we can talk with God?" So I want to give you example of mobile. For example, I have mobile. So whenever I want to talk with other person, so I use call app, and then I talk with that person. And then that person can listen me, you can believe, and I can listen that person, and we can conversation each other. So like this, the namaz is, you can say, mobile. Because when we stand front of God and we do like this, Allahu Akbar, okay? It means like we start the call with God. And that time we start talking with God. And then like we do ruku, we do prostrate, and we can share everything with God. So after the namaz, the little bit like 5 minutes we pray, that is request. That is request. Application we sent of God. Ya Allah, accept my this dua, okay, and fulfill my this needed. So the main part is the namaz is connection with God. So if you want talk with God, okay, make better connection with God, you have one option. That is pray. You have to stand in front of God